hold your two subwoofers at 52-inch Emerson something on the mall. Well, after a good, I can't find it on the box. Let's see the box right to after the close up. This is, I don't know if this is, it's almost like a brown with burlap mixed into it with these boards with these hops. And I put those shoes in. I think they look really good in there. So yeah. I got this for $15. But in the box I go well. Definitely fucking worth it, but in the box. Cause this is a wedding showroom thing. This is at some Home Depot haul or something. So yeah, check them right out. I don't like these cam lights. I can see now. Okay. You can still consider it. Alright. It's got two-way. So, is that setting? Bitch, come here. Then off what? Bitch. Then we're gonna turn over. My first real demonstration with my new phone, iPhone 14. I did the insertion at the t-shirt at my great uncle's house, but it's a real demonstration video. There's a lot of interesting things coming up. Well, I got a bunch for Christmas and shit. I gotta do you special. I don't know what that will be. Think I do, but I ain't telling you all bastards. I just can't wait. I need to make it time. Yeah. Fuck you, Dryer. Shut the fuck up. Try to make a video. And Dryer does this stupid little singing. Every time you look how good that camera looks. Looks so good. Well, it's a little fast on this, but it's not bad. It reminds me of Hunter, because it looks like Hunter. Turned to medium. These are the shades and stuff. Yeah. But it also reminds me of Hampton Bay, the way the blades mount, the blade wire gets like Hampton Bay. And the motor kind of looks like a Hampton Bay. If you look on the top, looks like a Hampton Bay, which is also not a Hampton Bay, but it's like a copy almost. Yeah, that box squeaks. I don't understand why. Bank is fan babies with it. It's a stupid goddamn box, dude. Those are why fucking cold. I was motherfucker on even more cold. We go high. Gotta start onto it. That's weird. Boxing some noisy now. These are Hollywood noisy. It's behind some crazy wind. I'm sure God picked this up. It's when I bought it, the box is square, so I thought it was one of them fans that you could buy blades separately, because that's how I insurance over some fans. Nope. I had blades with it in the box. I was so happy because I was like, if I had no blades, it'd be a long time for your blades. Blades are it's how fast this motherfucker goes. Come here, little bitch. Fuck post switch. I hate that. No, I can't really see. Oh, no, I can. Well, wait, we checked. Shut up. Forever. Oh, yeah. Yeah. No, we just spin down. Be right back. Damn box. They're going pretty good. Still, it's got a good spin down to it. I will say that. Just a really nice fan channel. Boxing cookies. So it's not too on that box. I put small bob on the painting, big one on the right. I'm going to add some stuff on the back of the walls to make it look nicer. But that's what I'm going to do for each news is an update of what I got, my life and shit right there. What I got for Christmas, what I got with the Christmas, my guy, you know. Come on, bots. Just stop already. I spend down, but I know a lot of people do, so it's the reason why I do it. So be happy, motherfuckers. Be happy. This takes a long time. And stop. So you would bash. Reverse. Let's do direction by using on but because cold. That's why you saw my tata. I turned on and was in reverse. It's because it was cold. I didn't reverse it because I didn't get shit. So there's a rose sign don't spend all day on your ass. You're working out in the shoe guys. It's not gonna spend 10 minutes on each direction. It's like the same thing. Maybe we'll slow it. Sometimes you burst some fans just to go spoil on a lot of crap. Turn green for power. I'm gonna charge. I'm gonna put this in the tube. I'm gonna turn that lamp on because I'm gonna see close up at the fan and the box. You can't. Well, hold on. This not plugged back in. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna please. Chad's gonna get back on my base. Okay. I'll take you guys off. Try playing your close-up. We'll do a close-up of him first. So, the white balls I pointed all these CFOs. Here's the shades. See, it's like 100 shades. It takes these shades to put those shades on. Will that happen on video? That's a fucking hate CFOs. That right there. There's grass on my floor. Suck a dick, white ball. Watch it, cause I'm tired. Ooh. Okay then. Well, there's the blades. It's pretty much the same fingers, but this one's like different design than that side. There's much stuff on. I don't know what is glass and what is stuff now. But yes, white balls, the Emerson logo. See its fingers. Better look at the blades. See how it looks like I hit the bay almost? There's one tag. If I don't focus on like they come, I'm gonna guess over that's focusing. This just don't want that tag. I think those might be the 1-2 tags up here. But yeah, now we should get down and see the box. So I'm gonna only turn on 2 lights since that bulb broke. Here's the box. It looks like a dig a little wing damage, but the front's pretty fine. There's a bunch of cool, like, Intel wood presses and shit that come in. So, your kinds of cool, different. That's a type of glass. That's what holds on the glass. Then we had the it shows a brushmaker one. There's a couple Emersons. Might be one here, but it's blocked off. Might be this one. I don't know. Sorry, this is good quality work. Oh, here we got more stuff. videos on me. Tons of a lot of stuff. Bunch of manuals, 2 downloads, and sports cap. No. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video of this Emerson sample. And good night.